Hello kids, today we have very beautiful toys, animal toys. So let's dive into the video. Right now we have a fox. It's so beautiful. Wow, next we will have a zebra. It's so beautiful. The next we will have a lion, king of the kingdom, and next we will have so beautiful toy, a sheep. And now we have Sino, so beautiful. They are playing with each other. And next we have so big animal. It's a lion. And next is elephant. And now it's a donkey. Wow, donkey. And now we have a horse. Guess what? This is a cow. And now we have a giraffe. What will be the next animal? It's a surprise for you guys. It's a King Kong. It's so huge, sitting on a donkey. And now it's a mammal. It's a water mammal. Wow, they're looking so beautiful. And now we have a dog. Hey dog. Hey doggy, how are you? We are all fine. You can see. Here we have a lot of beautiful toys. I hope you kids enjoyed this video. If yes, so please make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you later.